Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
Morning,
also.
ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Children.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Only 22 students were here. Anyway, we will start the class. Okay, children. So last class we were discussing about the life in the different climatic zones. Okay, and we have completed about
Different
torrid
climatic
and the
zones.
temperate zone, right? Which are the animals,
Yes,
which
ma'am.
are the animals,
Yes,
which are
ma'am.
the plants and trees can be found in the different climatic zones. Okay,
Ma'am,
and
next
we have
is
just discussed,
sorry.
we have
Next
completed
is
about
living fruits. Papa.
the temperate zone. Okay,
Papa.
and
Papa.
Yes, ma'am.
which all animals can be seen in the temperate zone. Tell me first. First, tell me about the vegetation.
Papa.
Two types of vegetation, which are
Green
grasslands and
and
forest. Yes,
forest.
only only children's. All of you mute your audio, and those who I'm asking only need to answer to me. All others mute your audio. And there are two types of vegetation, that is grasslands and forest. Okay, and what do you mean by grasslands? Angelina Martin, can you tell me what is grasslands?
Grasslands are dry grass, dry yellow
Covered by, means
covered by
area,
grass.
it is covered by
Grass.
grass. Okay, that these areas are called grasslands. Okay, grasslands, vast area, it is covered by grass. Okay, and example, prairies, the prairies and
Ma'am?
wells. All these are the examples for the grasslands.
Ma'am,
Yes,
what is the meaning of vast?
vast means a huge area. Okay, large area. Okay, large area, it is covered by grass. Okay, then forest. There are two types of forest, that is deciduous and coniferous. Deciduous and coniferous. What is
Forest.
deciduous forest, Shiva Gayatri? Deciduous forest, can you tell me?
Ma'am, deciduous forest means just. Ma'am, 1 minute. Ma'am. Ma'am.
Okay, tell me. I can hear you.
Their leaf in winter season.
I think
They will
Shiva
shed the
Gayatri,
leaf.
her audio becomes struck. See, children, deciduous forest trees shed their leaves in winter season and it will regrow in spring. Okay, and example, maple, walnut, oak, all these are the examples for the deciduous forest. Okay, and coniferous forest.
Ma'am, क्या name है?
Yeah, tell me. Tell me.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, sure. Tell me.
In that trees will be in the cone shape and
Cone-shaped trees which grow close to each other at uniform
uniform height.
uniform level. Okay, so that such types of trees, coniferous trees. And example, can you tell me the example? Pine, fir, cedar. Okay, all these are the examples for the coniferous trees. Okay, then we also discussed about the wildlife. Okay, the north temperate zone animals. Which all animals can be seen in the north temperate zone?
Grizzly bear,
Grizzly
elk,
bear,
bobcat.
elk, and bobcat. Okay.
Black bear also there.
Children, I have told you, all of you mute your audio. I will ask you. Okay, only that need to answer. Okay, then south temperate zone. Pranav, tell me. Pranav Prasad. South temperate zone. Which all animals can be seen in south temperate zone?
Monarch butterfly.
Animals.
Monarch butterfly.
Animals.
Animals.
Shreya, can you tell me?
Llama and
Llama and
cheetah
yes.
Giraffe.
found in the north south
Black
temperature
bears
zone.
Yes,
also
animals can be found in the south temperate zone. Okay, then we
Ma'am,
are moving to
Specific
frigid
temperature zone.
temperate zone, south temperate zone. Okay, see children, now we are moving to the frigid zone. Okay,
Frigid
which are
zone.
the animals and which are the plants and trees we
Forest
can
layers.
see in a frigid zone. Okay,
Ma'am,
what you mean
forest.
by frigid? It is cold,
Very
right?
cold.
Yes.
Very
And
cold.
there are two seasons, winter and summer
Summer.
only. And this life
Animals.
means life in the frigid zone, covered with the snow and
Snow.
rice.
Ice.
Okay, the frigid zone areas, it is fully covered with the snow.
And
Okay,
only
and
a
only a
few
few plants and animals can inhabit in the frigid zone. Why?
Because some
Because
can
of
only
the
stand
extreme
because
cold weather, right?
Yes,
Because of the extreme cold weather, only some plants and animals can be survive in a
in the
frigid zone. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. And mosses. Okay, which all plants we can see that moss and lichens. Mosses and lichens. Okay, and some stunted plants grow here. Means
Ma'am,
stunted
what is
plants means
stunted
cannot grow
plants,
more.
ma'am?
Okay, stunted plants means it cannot grow more. Okay,
ma'am.
so these type of only mosses and lichens can be seen in a frigid zone. Okay, mosses and lichens.
Ma'am, what is
And
and then
wildlife.
There, seal and polar bear will be
Polar bear,
The
Arctic.
polar bear,
Snowy
Arctic
also,
fox,
ma'am.
reindeer.
Snowy
Okay,
Snowy owl.
all these animals can be
That's
seen
why we
in
are,
the frigid zone.
ma'am, that's why we are saying that Christmas, Papa and all, they say reindeer and flying.
Yes.
Reindeer.
And birds such as Arctic
Reindeer.
tern and
Seal, ma'am.
snowy owl,
Snowy
penguin. Okay, no reptiles are found in this
Ma'am,
one.
seal
Penguin and
animals.
seals are found.
Found.
So polar bear. Any two animals name you need to study by heart. Okay.
Polar bear
And polar
seal.
bear and reindeer.
Reindeer,
Polar bear and seal.
penguin and
Ma'am,
see such animals only
Ma'am.
can survive in an extreme cold weather.
ma'am,
Yes.
so crocodiles are not found in the
No.
zone?
No. Okay. See, only some animals which can survive in the extreme cold weather, like penguin, Arctic tern, polar bear, okay, Arctic fox, okay, all penguin, seal, all such animals can be found in the,
Snowy owl. Snowy owl.
yes.
If we go in the frigid zone, we will die now.
Because of the extreme cold weather. Okay, it is very hard to live in a such a cold weather, right?
Some
Okay.
only we can live.
Yeah,
Then
we
itself
can't
will be
survive
tired
in an
and die.
extreme
Excuse
cold
me, ma'am.
weather. Okay.
Is
Some
there
will
any
be
lines to
survive.
underline? Is there any lines to underline? Yeah.
Only the animal's name and the plant's name. That is lichens, mosses.
Then climate of India.
That we already discussed, children. Let me share another slide. Just
Yes,
wait
ma'am.
over here. So only some animals can be survived.
Cleaning the frigid zone.
Penguins.
Penguins, yes. Penguins. And then Arctic tern, Arctic fox.
Arctic tern,
Reindeer.
penguin, seal,
Reindeer.
polar bear.
Polar bear.
All these animals
No,
can be
yeah.
survived. I have told you during extreme weather, during extreme winter, what animals will do? Polar bear and all, they will hibernate. Okay, some birds, they will migrate. They will migrate from
Migrate
that
to
place
distant
to
lands.
another place.
Other islands and all.
Okay, yes,
There
they will
be
migrate
countries
to another place
when there
for
is
getting
hot
more
climate.
warm and also food.
Called
Okay, and
Yes,
polar
ma'am,
bear and all some animals, they will hibernate. That means that they will go for a deep sleep. Okay, they will not waste their
ma'am.
energy. Okay, they will not waste their energy. Only for breathing they will use their energy, and they will go
Ma'am,
for a
till
deep sleep.
how
That is
many
known
months
as
they will sleep?
hibernation. That is known
Ma'am,
as
how
hibernation.
many months they
months.
will
6
take
months.
to sleep?
There are 6 months winter and 6 months summer, right?
So
Okay, so
Yes,
the
ma'am.
extreme winter means extreme winter weather. They used to do. Some animals used to hibernate.
Sleep.
See,
Okay.
children, the next is forest liars. Torrid zone.
Yes, ma'am.
We have discussed the particularity of the torrid zone trees. It is very tall trees can be seen in
Trees
the
and broad leaves.
yes,
They'll be shedding
very
1 year
very
of a time.
huge and very big trees can be seen in the torrid
Torrid
zone.
zone.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
so we can see huge big trees like mahogany, rubber, okay,
Rubber,
bamboo, sal. Yes, all
Sal.
these types of trees can be seen in the torrid
Torrid
zone.
zone.
And next we are going to discuss the layers. Okay, see children.
Layered.
Yes, here.
Torrid zone receives plenty of sunlight and
See
rain.
children, tell me.
Dense forest.
The torrid zone, yeah, we know that torrid zone receive plenty of sunlight and
First,
rainfall, so dense forest can be seen in the torrid zone, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So here there are some layers. Okay, see children, the first layer, okay, with roots, okay, bushes.
Ma'am, can coconut tree survive in torrid zone?
Fallen leaves.
Yes.
Fallen leaves and also.
Yeah.
All are
This
here.
one, this layer. Okay, this layer.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, ma'am,
Ask me.
will coconut trees
Yes. Coconut trees are there
Coconut
in the
trees
torrid
are there
zone.
in sun.
Ma'am, I think
In
that
forest and
coconut
all.
trees all
In
all
forest,
over the
in desert and all, we will see coconut trees.
Desert, it is rare.
Yeah, some is there.
No. Okay. So children, the first layer. Okay, we can see the roots. Okay, roots. Okay, all this will termed as the first layer.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
there
and
will
the
be
second
no
layer.
bushes and fallen leaves.
Canopy layer.
Creepy
Yes.
understudy.
layer.
Yeah. That is
Understory layer.
consists of small
Forest
trees.
floor.
Yes, it consists of
There will be
Small
small
trees.
trees.
Then understood layer.
creepers. Okay, creepers.
Then
And
canopy.
the
Canopy
third one,
layer is
canopies.
it is
Canopies
leaves.
the strong branches.
Yes,
Okay, the
ma'am.
branches.
Tree.
Yes. And the last, tree tops.
The topest
Emergent layer.
emergent.
Layer are very tall, so
Ma'am.
it receives a lot of
Another all
sunlight.
very short.
ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
Forest.
ma'am,
Anubama is in this class. Anubama.
No, ma'am.
no, ma'am,
Ma'am.
Yes.
Is coconut tree in the emergent layer?
Which layer?
Yes.
Is coconut tree in the emergent layer?
Oh yeah, it's very
Yes,
tall,
it's
right?
very tall.
Yeah. Okay, so these four layers
Is very tall.
roots. First layer, it consists of all the roots of the tree. The
But
second
ma'am,
layer,
in this picture, coconut is very smaller than the topmost layer.
and the second creepers. Okay, and third one canopies, the branches. Okay,
Then
and
understood
the
layer.
last layer, it is
Emergent layer.
too big, so it is receiving.
Emergent layer.
Yeah, it is receiving the
Very
vertical.
hot.
Layers of the
Okay, 2 means it receives a lot
Vertical
of
rays.
sunlight. That all you know about
no
it. I
grass,
don't think it is
grass and
Vertical
fever.
study.
about this one. Okay, and now we are
Temperature sound.
studying the
Temperature.
details of this one. Okay, of the plant.
Grassland.
Okay, the temperature. more grass. We have talked about grassland.
Fever, fever.
Okay, and the grasslands, the climate is very dry. Okay, when the wind blow, the dry grasses rub against each other and catches fire.
Fire will come.
Yeah. Am I audible, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So we have discussed about temperate zone, grasslands, deciduous forest, and coniferous forest, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so coniferous trees, all this we have discussed. And in temperate zone, the climate, it is very dry. If the when the climate become dry, okay, and when the hot dry wind blows, the dry grass rub against each other and catches fire.
That will
It will
forest
rub
fire.
against each other. This dry grass.
Ma'am, that is forest fire.
Oh yes, same as that, forest fire. Okay, so grasslands, it is very easy to catch fire. Okay, and it will
Forest fire.
destroy the trees.
Trees. Yes, ma'am.
Trees are only bring fire.
Trees, but the grass
Grass
roots
roots
do not
no-
get
Special
destroyed
root,
by
ma'am.
the
The fire.
It's
Fire.
Grass
root,
roots.
yeah, roots, it's not being destroyed.
Yeah, ma'am.
So it will
Special root.
regrow again. It will regrow again.
Again.
Okay, so the temperate zone, grasslands. Okay, grasslands are there. We have discussed about grasslands,
Grasslands
right?
and forest.
Ah,
Two
yes.
types.
Grasslands,
In
vast
temperature
area,
zone.
it is covered with the grass.
Yes.
When the wind blow,
is-
the climate, since the climate of temperate zone, sometimes it's very
The
dry.
climate is dry
Yeah,
in there.
sometimes it
Grassland.
is very dry. So
When
wind
winds
blows,
blow, the
When
dry
wind
grass
dry
rub
grass
against each
rub
other and
against each other, it will
and
rub
catches
against
fire.
each other and catches fire.
fire.
So
It destroys
forest
trees.
fire. Okay, but this grass has some special roots, okay, that do not get destroyed by the fire.
Fire.
And
I mean,
this allow
under
the grass
the
to
soil.
grow again back. Okay, grow back. Even it is being destroyed by the fire, it will regrow again.
Right.
Okay,
And
because its
because
grass
in
roots
soil
do
and
not
all-
get destroyed. Okay, because its grass root do not get destroyed. Is it clear, children? Is it clear
Yes,
to you?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
See, children, just listen to me. In temperate zone, the climate is dry. Okay, when the wind blows, the dry grass
Rub against
rub
each
each
other
other.
and catches
Okay,
fire.
and it will catch us. Means it catches fire. It catches
Fire.
fire. Okay, and that it destroy the trees, but it will regrow again.
do
It
not
will
regrow
regrow
by
again. Okay, because its grass roots do not get destroyed by
By
the fire.
Special root.
Because it has special roots. Soil and all under the soil.
Then
Ma'am, next
discussed
is
about
frigid
frigid zone. There is extreme winter, means
Then-
extreme
Yes,
cold.
ma'am.
Cold.
No,
Ma'am,
extreme
here
cold
hibernation
weather.
and
No
all.
plants
Ah,
grow.
no
ma'am.
plants. I have told you only some plants like mosses and lichens can be survive in an extreme cold weather. Okay, and about the animals, there are two ways to stay in an extreme cold weather. One
Migration is
migration. Listen to me, children. One it is migration. Migration means that they will move from that
one
place
place
to
to
another
another
place.
place.
Ma'am, in English literature, there's
One
migration.
swallow. One
Migration,
swallow.
is it okay?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
No, yeah.
To the
So this Arctic tern, when some this animals and some birds. Okay, birds.
Yes, ma'am.
They will
Swallow like
migrate from
swallow.
that
Then
place
migration is
to another.
hibernation.
Yeah.
Hibernation.
During
Ma'am,
winter,
I think
many
so.
birds
Arctic
living in
tern
the
is
frigid
from
zone
swallow.
migrate. Okay, that is they move to warmer regions. They
Regions.
move to warmer
Cold
regions.
regions to warmer
Okay,
regions.
yes. The birds get food to eat and also it will remain warm. Okay. And the other way is hibernation. I have told you
Hibernation.
during
They sleep.
winter it is not easy to find food. Okay, it is not easy to find food. So animals sleep through the season. This is called
Good idea.
hibernation. It's very
Very
easy,
good
right?
idea.
Yes,
Yes,
okay.
ma'am.
They are
Good
not doing
idea.
anything. Simply they will sleep for long time. Okay.
No need to do anything.
No disturbance
Yes.
also. No
During
disturbance.
hibernation, the animals
Not
uses
get
the energy
hungry.
stored in their own body only for activities such as breathing. Only they will use their energy for breathing only.
Ma'am, then they will
Not
be
leave.
not hungry.
No. Full time they were sleepy, right? They are sleeping. Okay, most of the time they were sleeping.
We cannot do
So,
that.
yeah, the Arctic ground squirrel and polar bear also. Polar bear. Sri Shankar is very happy. Sri Shankar is like to sleep for long hours. Eh? So, means our energy, we don't waste our energy for anything, right? Simply we will sleep
Can't
full
wait,
hours.
ma'am.
Mm. Sri
After
Shankar,
tea, we will jump with them.
yes, Sri Shankar,
Ma'am,
how you were sleeping means that full means morning. At what time you will wake up?
early.
Hmm?
Early.
Hmm?
What time?
Ma'am, early.
8 o'clock.
Ma'am, he is saying early.
Early morning? I don't think so.
Ma'am, sometimes me 10 o'clock.
Okay, and what about lunchtime? After heavy lunch? After heavy
9
lunch?
o'clock and all.
Brunch only. Brunch. Lunch
Okay.
and breakfast. Brunch.
Lunch. After lunch, he will. I think he will sleep for long hours, right, Sri Shankar?
ma'am,
No.
No, ma'am, there will be
After
class,
they'll
ma'am.
do
Class. So
activities and
we
all.
can't sleep.
Okay. So children, frigid zone area. Okay, there are only two ways for the animals and the animals and birds to survive. That is
Okay.
either they need to migrate from that place to another area or another place. They get food. Okay, and more warm. The climate is favorable for them to live. Okay, or other animals, polar bear and Arctic terns, all these animals will hibernate. Okay, they will go for
Hibernate.
a deep
Ma'am, they will feel cold when they sleep for long days.
they will
They
go
will
for
feel cold. Ma'am, polar bear will be not cold because
yeah.
some
They can survive in a cold weather. Okay, so that
Ma'am, the
animals can
fleet
because
survive in that.
will help.
its fur is
Fleet
so
will help them to warm. Get warm.
their skin is very
Skin hair.
Yes. They have white fur.
fur.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
So it will be its fur. So
cold
will be
weather.
not there.
Okay, their skin means their skin type also is adapted to that extreme
Yes,
weather.
ma'am.
Okay, so that only they can survive in such a long weather
Long
condition.
time.
Yes, ma'am. It's very
And
cold there.
yes, and effect of climatic zones on human
On
life. See,
human
children,
life.
we are wearing different types of clothes in different types of weather, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Really,
ma'am.
really.
Yeah.
Really.
Torrid zone, we know
torrid
that
zone, we
torrid
know.
zone, it is very hot. So we will use to wear
Cotton clothes.
cotton clothes, which absorb our sweat.
Cold.
Yes, sweat
Yes,
very
ma'am.
easily.
It
Okay,
will be
so
very
during see
simple.
children, when March, April, May means when the summertime comes,
Torrid
what
zone.
we will do?
Cotton
we will
clothes.
use to
Cotton
wear cotton
Cotton
clothes.
clothes.
Okay, so
Vacation.
this cotton clothes which absorb our sweat very easily, so that we used to wear.
And also very comfortable,
Cotton
ma'am.
clothes.
For to wear. It's very
And
comfortable.
temperate zone, cotton clothes during summer,
During summer
and
and
woolen
woolen
clothes,
clothes.
which give us more warm.
And
Woolen
I
clothes
had
we will
never
use
also
during
we
the
woolen coat.
winter. Okay,
Ma'am, I
and
had
while we
never
were visiting the frigid zone, means that extreme cold weather,
Woolen clothes
woolen clothes that cover
most
most of our body.
Ma'am, I had
Have you
never.
visited Himalaya, Manali, and all places?
No, ma'am.
someone visit.
No,
Anyone
ma'am.
of you have visited such places?
Not me.
Kashmir,
Another my
Kashmir means in some countries that
someone
having
going
extreme
my
cold
life,
weather.
my family to Himalaya.
With family,
Not
you
me.
visited.
No, ma'am, not me.
Someone are
Planning
entering
to,
my
planning
family.
to.
Not gone and come back. Saw me here
When?
before.
Oh,
Go to Himalaya, Mount Everest and all.
oh. Okay, so woolen clothes we will use to wear. That means this all
Ma'am, I
you
didn't
know
wear.
about it, right? This all you know well about it, right?
Ma'am, I didn't wear woolen clothes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
And
I
see
wear
here
only
when it
cotton
December,
clothes.
when December comes, we
You
will
will wear woolen clothes.
Wear woolen clothes.
clothes with cap, muffler.
Yeah,
Okay, yeah,
muffler and
all
cap.
yeah, types of
So
dress.
we will not
Summer
come.
times cotton clothes, and we will use to means our food style also will be different, right? But summertime
ma'am.
we will like to eat ice creams,
Sweets.
cool drinks,
Watermelon.
watermelon. Okay,
In
all these.
winter,
We will
Winter,
Hot soup.
ice
yeah,
cream.
Hot soup.
hot,
tea.
hot tea, rainy season,
Milk.
monsoon season also hot drinks, right?
Mama, ice
ma'am.
cream we will eat in winter. Winter
Ice cream we will take, but not regularly. Not like summer
It's
season,
all.
right?
We will get fever.
Even rainy season, we will eat ice creams. If we like
Yes,
to
ma'am.
eat ice cream, we will use to buy, right?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, I have one doubt, ma'am.
Yeah,
Tough
ask
and
Miss
all.
Rhea.
Ma'am, why here it's not snowing? No.
No,
Why it's not coming?
no.
Why it
It's
is not
because
coming?
it's
No.
because here is torrid zone.
Shreya, can you means can you tell?
She is asking why here is not snowing.
Why?
Ma'am, in the winter, why our India and all not snowing?
Not snowing.
Yes,
I have
ma'am.
told you there are
No.
some factors that affects the climate of a particular place.
Ma'am,
Okay.
we have winter, right? Winter.
Yes,
In that
winter.
time.
It's not snowy like because we don't have means we are in torrid zone. Okay, so it's not like a frigid zone area. Okay, and Himalaya, it is still in India, right? Himalaya, it is in India.
Yes,
Mount
ma'am.
Everest.
Okay,
Mount
yes,
Everest.
but
Very
it is
hot.
snowy
Very
there.
cold,
It is
very cold.
that mountain. It is covered with fully snow.
No.
Okay,
Where
Mount,
the higher we
Mount
go, the
Everest.
cooler it is.
Fully covered with snow.
but it is located in a temperate zone,
Two
right?
people
It is
go
located in
Everest.
temperate zone, but it is situated above the height is different. It is high above the level. Okay, so
Yes,
in
ma'am.
such
At the higher
areas,
we go.
winter it is snowy, but in here in our areas, it's not. See, have you visited
here and
Ooty
on
and
road,
Munnar during our summer season?
No,
Means
ma'am.
while during
No, ma'am.
April and May, we are feeling extreme hot during April, May and all, right? March, April, May. Have you visited Ooty and Munnar during this time?
No, I
Yes,
didn't.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
How was the climate there? How was the climate?
Mama, I don't.
Very cold.
Very cold. Okay,
Very
not
cold.
like the areas or whatever we feel here in Kerala.
And here is very
Ooty and
torrid
Munnar,
zone.
the climate is different. Okay, so there are some more factors that affects the climate of a particular place. Even if we are located in torrid zone, some areas it is very cold and snowy, right? Do you understand, Shreya?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So shelter, the place where we live in. Okay. Have you heard about igloos?
frigid.
Igloos?
Yes, ma'am. I know igloos and fire.
Yeah.
Lit
Can you see the
house.
picture?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Some
made
we
of
will
ice.
be in snow
Ice,
and all. We will be going
The
inside.
frigid zone,
We
people
will
live
make it.
in. People live in igloos.
Glue.
If we are very hot, we will be
Okay.
going inside.
And in the torrid zone, people live in slit houses. See the picture. Can you see the
It
picture?
is very hot.
Still?
So here, children.
Yes, ma'am. Like tree house.
Slit houses are the houses raised on slits over the surface of the soil or a body of water. See, children,
Ma'am, what is the
it's
meaning of
platform. Okay, it was built on a raised platform. Okay, it is
Ma'am,
built
the
primarily
higher-
as a protection against flooding. If flood comes,
Okay, ma'am. Flood. Okay, ma'am.
In order to
ma'am,
protect our
flood.
houses from flooding, we will raise the platform.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Only that only one stick.
Igloo, it is
the
made
ground.
up of the frigid zone. Yeah.
And soil erosion
Ice.
also. When a big snow will come to.
What, Sri Shankar? Are you saying something?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am, soil erosion.
Soil erosion.
Soil erosion. Ah, yeah. If
Not
the
that.
trees are
A
being
big-
cut,
A big
it will
mountain
happen
and
to
all will be coming to houses and
soil
filling.
erosion. Yeah, flood if it comes,
The
the whole
news
of it will
also.
come with the
In
rain.
Wayanad.
If we didn't plant anything on the soil, it will get damaged.
Okay, so now
That
just
topsoil
now
will be
we
going.
faced a heavy rainfall and some places are underwater, right? Have you seen in the
ma'am.
Yes,
in
ma'am.
newspaper?
Yes, ma'am, in the
Ma'am,
news.
Rajamala, ma'am. Rajamala and all.
Underwater monument.
Kottayam. Then
Rajamala.
Okay, children,
Ma'am,
just
in
listen to
Malabar.
me. Just listen to me. Frigid zone. Okay, only some animals can be survive in an extreme cold weather. Okay, and there are two ways to survive. Either they need to migrate or other they will hibernate. Okay, either they will
They'll sleep.
hibernate. Okay. Then about the shelter. Okay, igloos. Frigid zone people live in igloos. Okay, and slit houses. Storage zone. Okay, as it receives heavy rainfall, the chance for flooding. Yes, there is the chance for
Increases.
flood. Okay, so the people raise their platforms. Okay, and they will build slit houses. Slit houses. Okay. And the houses built on a raised platform.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, that is known as tilt houses. Okay.
Ma'am, with the wooden or steel bars, right?
Wooden or wooden other types of concrete houses also can be built on a raised platform. Okay.
That support the
Okay.
house.
Yes, just to support the house or protect our houses from flooding. Okay, children.
Flood and
So next
Okay, ma'am.
class we will discuss something more about this chapter.
wind.
Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
read the
Like
textbook.
cyclone.
Read the
Okay, ma'am.
textbook. In this chapter, it is important to
Bye, ma'am.
study the name of the animals, the name of the
Okay.
animals
ma'am.
and the trees.
Thank you,
Okay, it is very
Yes,
important to
okay, ma'am.
study all this.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye, children.
Bye, ma'am.
Wonderful.
Thank you, ma'am.
See you on the next class. Bye, ma'am.
Goodbye.